You're now listening to Crypto Files. Welcome back, everyone. And if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Just remember to like the video and subscribe if you end up liking the content. And today's topic is the Astar Network token distribution details that have been released. And just on a side note, Astar Network has also released a roadmap for the year 2022. So they've done an awesome job communicating with the community throughout social media, such as Discord and Twitter. There have been no hiccups with the distribution other than just one technical issue that they had, and they communicated that with the community. But other than that, there's tons of information so people don't get confused. And before we get started, just a reminder, anything I say in this video is not to be taken as financial advice. So don't go trading any of your crypto or NFTs based on my content. It's only for entertainment purposes. Let's get started. So the Astar token distribution, this is documentation that they released just about 9 hours ago. Today is January 16th for me, but depending on where you are in the world, it could potentially already be January 17th. And the launch date for the Astar Network is January 17th. So the final token distribution ratio for the Crowdloan participants is based on the total DOT contribution. So one DOT equals 101.61 A-stars. And just a reminder, this does not include any potential bonuses applied. Very important, but that's pretty nice. 101.61 A-stars per DOT. That means if you contributed one DOT, then you get 101.61 A-stars. And there are 3 batches that are being distributed depending on how you participated in the crowd loan campaign. Batch number 1 is pretty straightforward. It's for individuals who participated through the Astar Crowdloan website using the Polkadot JS extension, and any other supportive wallets participating. I don't know who they are, but I guess they're just adding that for any supportive wallets. In this batch, the rewards are vested for 22 months. Okay. And 10% is actually released on the Astar Network launch date, and that's January 17th. Vested rewards are released with each new produced block in 22 months duration time. So pretty cool. This part will be sent out today, and you should receive 2 transactions. First, you will receive 90% of the rewards, and those are the ones that will be vested in a 22-month time period. The second transaction is going to be the 10% that can be transferred today on launch time. So you get 10% of the rewards that are transferable, and then the 90% that was included in the first transaction are locked up, and those are for the 22-month vesting time period. The exchanges supporting the Crowdloan will receive the tokens today as well, but when they launch their internal distribution and on what terms, you have to search this info on the exchanges you use to join the Crowdloan. So if you participated using an exchange and you don't see any rewards, don't freak out. You have to go ahead and look up details and updates from the actual exchange on when themselves are going to go ahead and distribute the tokens to you. Batch number 2, Crowdloan rewards for those who joined by partners such as Parallel, Bitfrost, Equilibrium. I know Parallel gave additional rewards such as the Para token and stuff like that. So if you've gone ahead and done that through their website instead of the Astar Network website, then those will be sent out on January 17th. Opposed to batch number 1 that have already been sent out today, those won't be released until potentially tomorrow, depending on where you are in the world. But that will happen at the end of the day, when the network should start after the runtime upgrade. And in this batch, the rewards are vested for 22 months, same as batch 1, with a 10% release on the launch date. Vested rewards are released with each new produced block in 22 months duration time. So the exact same thing as batch number 1, same thing expected, nothing different other than waiting for January 17th here. For batch number 3, I can't even talk today. For batch number 3, lock drop participants. These are individuals who locked up Ethereum for 30, 100, and 300 days, and also 1,000 days. Those who locked up Ethereum for the lock drop for 30, 100, or 300 days, they have a vesting time period of 15 months with a 10% on the release date. For those who locked it up for 1,000 days, the vesting period is 7 months with 10% released on launch date. And they got this nice graphic here, just showing the difference on those two in batch number 3. But let's take a look at my account on the polkadotjs.org site using the extension. And here we can see I have my account. There's only 2 tiny 2.4 dots in my account. So let's switch over to Astar here. And I'll go ahead and click on switch. And we see the rewards. Very, very cool. So this is the name of my account, and this is 9,144 A-stars. Pretty nice. Just one thing I want to go ahead and say is on the extension, you can click on the 3 dots on the right hand side of your account, and you can select on what chain the wallet is being set on and operating out of. So usually mine is on Polkadot Relay chain, but let's go ahead and switch it to Astar. That might give you some differences in what you can see on this page. So if you don't see your rewards, go ahead and try to change the network that it's being used on. So I've gone ahead and set it up for Astar, and that's it. Here we go ahead and click on the 3 dots, and something very important, it says unlock vested amount. That's because if we take a look at, let's click on send there, and if we click on send, there's 0, right? 0 to send. Let's go ahead and click on unlock, which will be the 10%. And let's see, sending transaction vesting, unlock any vested funds of this sender account. So fees of 1.3182 milli A-stars will be applied to the submission. The account does not have enough free funds, excluding locked bonded reserve, available to cover the transaction fees. Oh, so it looks like I don't have any anything to cover the fees. Did I include a tip for the block author? Sign and submit. I'm going to have to, does not have enough free funds to cover the transactions. I'm gonna have to look into this, but you should be able to unlock the, let's just go ahead and do it. What the heck? You should be able to unlock the A-stars that are available on the launch date. So let me enter my password 2021, sign the transaction, and now it says broadcasting. Well, let's see what happens. I am not afraid to see what happens because we need to find out. So let's see. And that's it. So vesting, dismiss, in block. Okay, it looks like success. Okay, so I wonder if I click send. Yeah, I have 763 A-stars. So you can, I guess you can ignore that message that says you don't have enough funds. So I've gone ahead and actually, that was my 10%. So it's 101.6 per dot. I contributed 75 dots and came out to like 7,630 something A-stars. The reason why I have 9,000 is I contributed early. So they gave me 20% bonus, which then equals to 9,000. But the 10% without the bonus is 763. So I've just gone ahead and unlocked the vested amount that is available on launch date, and that's 763. And you can see now I can actually send them right out of, to another wallet or you know, another address. So I can go ahead and 63, but I'm not going to send them anywhere because I just wanted to claim them because they were vested as of today. So every month what you want to do, because for the next 22 months there will be a vesting amount that is available to be unlocked. You'll have to go ahead and do the same thing. So most likely unlock vested amount, and then you'll just go ahead and click sign and submit, and it'll go ahead and start. Now it's canceling it because I probably already did it, but not the entire balance is not available just yet. It's just 10% now, and then I think there's a way for you to actually view transfers. I guess that's it. There should be a website where you can actually view the transactions and what's available and what's not. So I'll probably make another video, but anyway, That's how you unlock the rewards. That would be the 10%, and then this shows just the entire balance for you. Now, one thing I did want to talk about was if you head on over to the crowdloan.astar.network website, they actually have some information on like the leaderboard for the referrals, who had the most number of referrals, and they also have the ability for you to find your contribution by copying and pasting your address and then clicking on find my contribution. And right now it says no contribution by this address. Yesterday it was working, and the Astar team has gone ahead and said that right now this is not working, and they're working to fix it on I can't even talk. They're working to fix this as soon as possible. So once this is fixed, this is the site where you will be able to come and actually verify your rewards and see the breakdown and see how much all the bonuses that were applied, all that good stuff. You can see all the breakdown of the actual rewards that apply to your account, and you can see the referral leaderboard, which is kind of cool. 3,745 referrals for this account. Whoa, that's a lot. Other than that, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. This was awesome. We're making history. I got my rewards. I'm happy, and let's see what happens when it actually Astar Network launches. One more thing before I let you guys go is let's go to Twitter really quick. The actual, here, let me pull it up. Just wanted to say Hobie or Hubi, however you pronounce it. This is an exchange. They've gone ahead and announced that they will be trading Astar as soon as the network launches. So keep an eye out for this exchange. You can go to their website, and this will be a good way for us to see if there's any price action. I don't expect anything crazy, but it's kind of nice to see that an exchange is already saying that they will be trading Astar, the actual token. So check it out. Hobie, Hubi, whatever it is, you guys know what I mean. But until next time, guys, have a good one.